Hey guys, what's up? Stan here, and today I will be unboxing the Ruroc 2.0. Okay, so first things first, I gotta pull a little Mr. Light mode and get one of these on because we are gonna be diving into this helmet. So first off, this small box right here, I already know this is their Bluetooth communication system. Put this to the side. So right off the bat, the box that they have here is the exact same as the previous Ruroc helmet that they released. So of course there's the helmet. This is the spare extra smoked visor. This is the pin lock shield, stickers, and a screwdriver. I'm gonna find out what that's for in a bit. So let's open up the helmet here. Oh, nice. They gave me a little hat. It's my second Ruroc hat. As you can notice right away, this is the exact same helmet that I have. So I have this one, which is the Platinum Ronin, and I also have the Atlas Mercury back there. Now it's funny because Ben actually said that he was going to send over the yellow and black one, but there must have been a mistake. Either way, I get to check out all the new features of the 2.0. So first impressions, it's the exact same shape that it was in the first one. But I believe we're going to be noticing some changes here pretty quickly. And I'm actually going to bring the other helmet so I can compare. So I think the biggest gripe that people had with this helmet previously was the fact that the visor did not have a seal, a proper seal at the bottom. As you can see, it kind of just goes up and down. And the more that you played around with this, the looser these things got. This is the part of the helmet that required a tool. And people did not like that. That was definitely not the direction that they should have went with it. But like I said, they fixed a lot of things. By the way, this colorway is just amazing. I love the look of the chrome silver. Now with this new one, you can see right away that there's a little metal nub that locks the visor down. And you can also hear the levels of clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 visor positions. And of course, there is no tool anymore required. I'm going to figure out how to do this in just a second. The strapping system that they have is the exact same. It's called the Visor Lock system, I believe. And if you notice, these actually have emergency cheek pad removals now, which I'd say is very important because if you ever get into an accident in one of these and you need to take the helmet off, this is definitely the easiest way to do it. So I'm actually going to try to figure out by myself without reading the instructions on how to get these open. Okay, that's what I thought. So the visor has to be closed in order for you to do this. And then you just take this off. And yeah, there's just a locking mechanism once you turn it clockwise, 90 degrees, like that. So I'm actually gonna switch over the visor as well because I wanna see how easy it is to do now. This is definitely a step in the right direction, but having pieces that come off is a little bit of a worry. The thing is, when you have more pieces attached to a helmet, it's just more likely that you're gonna lose something. I'll rip this off. Nice, satisfying. And then these covers come off. Now this one isn't very uncommon. There's a lot of manufacturers that have pieces that come off like that. That was easy. Okay, so since the visor has to be closed to take it off, that means it has to be closed to put it back on. Okay, I think that lined up. Yep. Jesus. I guess you could put this upside down by accident. Not really a big deal, I guess. But look how easy that is now compared to the old helmet, which required a tool to do. Okay, easy. So Ben actually sent me a list of changes that they made to the helmet. I'm gonna figure them out for myself. I think I covered a lot of the things so far. I guess like the only thing I really need to do is try on the helmet and see if the padding has been upgraded as well. Okay, so I'll put this helmet on first. I do want to note that I went climbing today and I kind of hurt my neck. So I'm physically gonna be struggling to put this helmet on and take it off because my neck's injured. And it's probably not because of the helmet, okay? Just a fair warning. Whoa, that was violent. Yeah, it feels a little bit different, like a little bit softer than the previous gen. Okay, this is nice. It's comfy. And I think, I'm just gonna take this off first. So I think the biggest thing with the old helmet was the fact that the visor didn't seal. And for me, that was kind of a big no-no, just because of where I live. It's just kind of unbearable to ride in this helmet, especially when it's cold out. So I think that's the biggest thing that I am happiest about. Now let's just try on the old helmet just for a little bit of a reference here. Oh boy. So they're both mediums, but this one was actually a lot harder to put on. Like right at the entranceway of the helmet, it was like there was a pinch. So yeah, I think there's definitely been an upgrade there, which is kind of nice because did not feel good. Maybe it's because my neck hurts. I don't remember having that problem before though, but I guess yeah, I guess they upgraded the cheek pads and everything in here, which is nice. Okay, so the pin lock, if you guys ride motorcycles and you have a helmet that has a pin lock, it's pretty much the same idea. I'm not going to show it in this video because there's no point. Basically, what this does is it makes the visor anti-fog, which is really nice, especially when you ride in colder climates. I feel like that's pretty much it for the upgrades. All right, so interesting. The backs of the helmet are a little bit different, the stickers. This one's the Sport, this one's the 2.0. I didn't know it was called the Atlas Sport. And the numbers under the ECE are a little bit different. I don't really know what that means. Maybe you guys do though. Yeah, I honestly think that's pretty much it for the changes. The chin vent pretty much works the exact same as it did before. It feels exactly the same. But yeah, you guys know me, I wear an AGV and it's a carbon fiber. Pretty much all the helmets that I'm into now are all carbon fiber. So I'm actually really excited that Ruroc finally has a carbon fiber on their list of helmets. So I'm gonna be trying to get that soon enough, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. I'm not really a graphics guy. Most of my helmets have been plain. I think this might be one of my first graphics ever. Okay, so I just read the instructions, and apparently this screwdriver right here is meant for this if for some reason you want to remove it. So we're not going to touch that because it's still a brand new helmet, so it should be fine. This is the Bluetooth that comes with it. I'm not going to be unboxing this because there's so many videos out there and I don't think they've updated this, so it should be the exact same. And the Bluetooth that they sent probably still fits in the first iteration of the Ruroc Atlas. So yeah, overall, I'm very happy with the changes that they made. This is definitely a step in the right direction. The visor, the emergency cheek pad removal system, those are all great features to have on a helmet. And those are actually things that obviously, you know, the visor is obvious, that's a given. But the emergency cheek pads, I always try to look for that in a helmet as well. It really helped a lot with my crash a couple years ago, where, you know, the paramedics were just able to rip off the cheek pads and slip off the helmet right away without having to, you know, possibly strain my neck. And yeah, that's just a great thing to have finally. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the Ruroc Atlas 2.0. If you guys want to get one for yourself, head over to ruroc.com. I believe they're releasing these February 27th, so go and grab yours. You guys will not be disappointed. It is a lot better than it was before, and I believe the price point is still relatively the same. Again, thank you to Ruroc for sending over this helmet. I'll see you guys later. Bye.